the common household problem is mag leak, no? The moment na mag-leak ang gripo, we're going to replace it the new one. So, when we replace, we need to put Teflon tape, familiarize it first. So, when you see this type of fittings or accessories, so this one, pag nakaganito siya, it is what we call the male threaded. So, mao ni siya ang ginatawag og male threaded. Another is sa fittings, we also have this, the female. So, female is, ang thread niya, naa siya sa inside, okay? While the male threaded, fittings, is located sa outside niya. Naa siya sa gawas, okay? So, this is the male and the female. Okay, so we're going to familiarize on how to place our Teflon tape. Okay, so if this is our faucet, so ang ato ang is ang male. Okay. So pag right-handed ka, ito yung way. So you hold it here, then you place the Teflon tape like this. Why is it important na ingani siya pagka-hold? Okay, the reason is para atong control, no? Kung unsa siya kaning kaguot or kaluag sa butang sa ato ang Teflon tape. Okay. So, dapat dili siya luag pagkaano, ha? Okay, pila na ta siya? 2 rounds na? 3, 4, then 5. Okay. So, and then let's end it this way. Okay, so this is now our output. So, man ni siya ang result. Then usually, this type of fittings, man ni siya ang nakadikit usually sa wall, right? So, we're going to insert it on the female. Okay. Is ginagamitan siya og, you're going to use the tool para para mas guot siya, no? So, magamit ka og tool. Okay? That's all for today's video. No, I hope you learn